Astrology is even better with two. Your Relationships Hub compares any two charts. Synastry compares your chart with someone else's, like how you each express love in your own contrasting ways. Composite blends you into a single chart. For instance, how you hold stability while embracing the changes you meet together. The Relationship Forecast reads the sky of any day you choose on your bond, surfacing the harmonic and difficult qualities flowing between you. Like how Venus is bringing love, harmony, and beauty to your connection at this very moment. Zoom out with your monthly relationship forecast. The broader currents and turning points carrying your bond through the month ahead. And in Trait Pair, a relationship dynamics text is generated, telling the big picture of your connection, the bond you share, and how you move through life together. Then, 20 traits, like emotional bond, romantic attraction, sexual chemistry, trust and security, or communication ease, are evaluated and ranked by how much each one stands out. Tap a trait to reveal the aspects behind it and see exactly where each strength of your bond comes from. Partner, friend, or crush. See what the two of you create together.